Hello everyone. We, the Nerdbots, present after you Canistrum, that is a smart basket solution that would reshape the future of retail shopping. So, in this presentation, we would be covering the problem that is faced by the current users in shopping malls, the solution that we are proposing to solve this issue, how the user can experience it in the real life scenario, the limitations that can be faced by the user while accessing this solution, and how we are thinking of expanding this solution so that it enhances more the experience of the user while he's shopping in the shopping mall. So first of all, why we chose to build this smart baskets solution. So we have often faced the problems of long queues, and there is an often a requirement of an attendant when the shopping mall is quite large. We are unable to find a product, so we need an attendant to tell us where the product is. And there is an often a situation when the product is available by the store, but it is not present at the rack, so that leads to inefficiency of the store. So we are handling that as well in this solution. So the major components that are we are proposing to solve this issues are the smart basket, the cloud council, the delivery subscription, and the shopping list app. So the smart basket is basically the hardware and software solution that we are providing so that the user can easily buy products and there is no hassle of standing in long queues. He can simply place the products in the basket and pay for the products from the basket itself, and there is no need to go to the cashier. The cloud council basically helps us with the recommendation and the suggest the users to buy the products that he often buys together. For example, he buys milk and eggs together, and so next time if he buys milk, then it is suggested that he could buy eggs as well, and we can just increase the sales of the store by putting some discounts on that, so that would be handled by a cloud system. The delivery subscription is like when a user often buys every week a product. So, for example, if he orders milk every week, so he can just put a reminder that on every Friday we need a milk, so it can easily be delivered at his home or he can take away from the store. And this list app is basically the Walmart app in which he can make his shopping list. He could see the available products, and that's all that it offers. The solution that works in the real life. So a user wants to go for an in store shopping, so he opens the Walmart app, he creates his shopping list, and then he goes to the store. There it takes a smart basket. On the interactive screen he enters his customer ID, then the list gets loaded on the screen. The list also shows the rack number and the lane number in which that product is placed, so there is no need of any attendant to guide him through the store. He can easily go through the lanes and buy his product. So all the products at the store are tagged with the RFID. So when he picks up the product and puts it in the basket, our RFID scanners on the basket scans the product and maintains a record that which products are in the basket. But there are sometimes like this there might be a case when the product is not scanned properly, so for that we have put a weight sensor also. So on the weight sensor, if the total products in the basket doesn't match to the total products that are scanned, so the user can get a notification that this product is not scanned, so you need to scan it again. After the user has done his shopping, he can just click on the checkout button on the screen and the bill is automatically generated. He has the option to redeem his points that he has already collected. He can see the available discounts that the store is offering. He can pay that using any online payment system, and he can also choose to pay via cash. So if he pays online, so the transaction gets verified by the cashier, so he gets a notification that your order is successful, so he can just directly take the products through the store and just get away with that. But in case of cash, he needs to visit to the cash counter and just pay the cash, because there is no need of counting the products, because they are is already tracked and that information is already available with the cashier due to a cloud system. So the architecture of a basket includes a mobile app, and a application. So the web application is available with the cashier. He can track all the baskets that are in use in the store and what all things are in the basket. Mobile app is used by the customer for creating that shopping basket. And then we have the Wi-Fi module that is communicating with the cloud system, so that all the transactions are going to the cloud and that are verified, and all the recommendations that the user is getting, that is happening at the cloud. So the basic design of the user interface includes two major screens. The first screen is where he can see his shopping list, his customer ID, the lane numbers where the product is located, and he can also get the suggestions of which product to buy, which two products have an offer on the screen. When he clicks on the pay button, the next screen appears that basically gives the total discount that has been applied. If he has any additional coupon, though, so he can apply that. He can has if he has any balance in the Walmart wallet, so he can pay directly through that, or he can use any online payment system, and he can also choose to pay via cash. So while implementing this solution, so we can face some limitations of this. That is some payment gateway failure that can happen due to internet issues. The store is not well equipped with the IT infrastructure, or there can be an IoT malfunctioning in the basket because it is a hardware uh, thing, so it can just get damaged due to mishandling and rigorous usage of the smart basket. And in future we are planning to implement computer vision so that we can just model the products, and the user can just pick up the product and go from the store, and the bill gets automatically generated and money is deducted by the wallet. And that is some enhancing the user experience how he buys the products in near future. So thank you all for giving your time, and that's all for this presentation.